Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Rincrypt. Rincrypt is a new ransomware that may attack Windows computers, and indeed it is able to encrypt the files. My video is only for the educational purposes, of course. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, due to some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Rincrypt ransomware may be injected into the computer, and it is called like that because it appends this Rincrypt extension to the file names. Some people think that if they remove this extension manually from the files, that the files would be decrypted, but this does not work. The files are still encrypted. The ransomware also reveals the ransom note titled as "Read this." It mentions that people need to contact the developers of this ransomware. I urge you not to contact them and not to pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. Do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. You can upgrade to premium, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner at any time. So at the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way you can request trial, and this way your data will always be protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.